The NZXT H500 expands on our vision for modern PC building and improves upon the best features found on our most popular cases. With an intuitive design and performance-optimized layout, the H500 makes it easier than ever for you to build and show off your PC like never before. We've simplified the entire building process by reimagining cable management solutions to easily accommodate all types of builds. With an integrated cable management kit and a repositionable cable management bar, tuck away cables and spend less time managing the clutter. With a removable front radiator bracket and integrated reservoir mount, installing all-in-one liquid coolers or assembling custom water cooling loops is painless inside or outside the case. The entire layout is optimized for excellent airflow and provides enough space for you to install hardware in multiple configurations. From our quick-release SSD mounts, PSU shroud, and motherboard tray to our vertical graphics card support, available on the H500i. Customize your build for performance. Integrated RGB lighting and fan control is available on our H500i to builders who want those features built into the case without having to install them. The H500i comes with pre-installed smart device with integrated lighting and fan control, as well as adaptive noise reduction functionality. The NZXT H500s are available now in white, black, red, and blue at
One of the most popular cases we've ever designed here at Corsair is our Carbide Series Air 540. It had an active cooling chamber to cool your CPU and GPU, and a passive chamber on the rear for power supply cables, PSUs, and storage drives that didn't need as much cooling. But because we believe you could always do better, this is the spiritual successor to the Air 540, the 680X RGB. It shares the same dual chamber layout as the Air 540 with an entirely new and refined look. There are 3 floating tempered glass panels on the front, the top, and the side, so you can show off your components and fans. But these glass panels will not obstruct your cooling because we've designed a huge gap between the panel and the case so you can get plenty of airflow. On the I/O panel, you'll find the standard connections plus a modern update with the USB 3.1 Type-C port. The 680X side panel swings open so you can easily build a new PC or just upgrade your existing one. In the front of the case, you can mount up to a 360mm radiator, on top and bottom up to 280mm, and even a 140 in the rear. And because you just spent a ton of cash on a brand new graphics card and you want to show it off to yourself and your friends, you have a 90-degree GPU mount in here so you can mount it vertically and look at it in all of its glory. But my favorite feature of the dual chamber design is that it is cheat mode for cable routing. You can use that second chamber to hide all of your cables while your first chamber stays fresh and clean looking. In the rear chamber, you can mount up to our AX1600i PSU, as well as 3 3.5-inch drives and 4 2.5-inch drives. Every 680X RGB comes with the Lighting Node Pro, which gives you full control over the RGB lighting of your system with our IQ software. With IQ, you can choose from dozens of built-in lighting profiles, or you can create your own. The Air 540 was a very successful case, but I think that the Crystal Series 680X RGB improves upon it in almost every way. For more information, head on over to Corsair.com.